Well, National Assembly Speaker Baleka Mbete has hailed the landmark Constitutional Court judgment on Nkandla, welcoming the legal certainty and clarity provided by that ruling. She says it bodes well for our constitutional democracy. Mbete and NCOP Chairperson Thandi Modise wrapped up a media briefing from Cape Town earlier this afternoon. The Constitutional Court found that the National Assembly had failed in its constitutional obligation in the way it handled the Public Protector's report on security upgrades at the President's private home in Nkandla.
There are cases where either a decision of the President or Executive and Parliament has been found to have been inconsistent with the law, including the Constitution. We think that this affirmation of the powers and functions of the National Assembly and the clarification provided on the role of the Constitutional Court in terms of Section 172 bodes well and is important for democracy and should not be missed in the discourse around this matter. I come to areas needing consideration. As we all know, the judgment has also been critical of actions of the National Assembly. The court found that it was not correct for the National Assembly to pass a resolution that purported effectively to nullify the findings made and remedial action taken by the Public Protector and replacing them with its own findings and remedial action. It stated on a proper construction of its constitutional obligations, the National Assembly was duty-bound to hold the President accountable by facilitating and ensuring compliance with the decision of the Public Protector. Therefore, the Constitutional Court found that the resolution passed by the National Assembly absolving the President from compliance with the remedial action taken by the Public Protector in terms of Section 182(1)(c) of the Constitution was inconsistent with Sections 42, 3, 55, 2, and B, and 1813 of the Constitution was invalid and was set aside. I now come to our conclusion. I must reiterate that the Constitution is the foundation of our society. The Constitutional Court is guardian of our Constitution. Secondly, it has affirmed the powers of the National Assembly. Thirdly, as stated before, the National Assembly and broadly Parliament respects the judgment. The judgment does provide guidance in terms of how the reports of the Public Protector and generally Chapter 9 institutions should be dealt with. This guidance is appreciated. All parties collectively must reflect on this judgment, and we must see how it can strengthen the performance of our constitutional mandate.
Thousands of people have braved light showers to attend the drought relief in Bizo held in Malmöth, North